Hey guys, it's been a while since I put out a video. I took a bit of a break. I was feeling really burnt out with video making and with art. So I decided, well, what do you do when you're feeling burnt out? I mean, you can push through, you just get more burnt out. It becomes a really horrible cycle. Or you can take a break and come back when your energies are renewed. I don't know if my energies are renewed. They're starting to renew, hopefully. So this is what I've been doing in, what I did in March last month. It's now April. But the one thing I didn't film that was a very exciting thing that happened to me in March. Well, it didn't happen to me. I made it happen. And that is, I got tickets for the Urban Sketches Symposium in Poznan, Poland. So all ready to head off to Europe in August, September. It will be a big trip, and yeah, starting off in Copenhagen, flying into Copenhagen, staying there for a while, then heading down to Poznan for the symposium. Yeah, heading to the symposium in Poznan. So then I'll be heading from there to Warsaw, then sort of up through the Baltic cities and Riga, Tallinn, then over to Stockholm, and finally back to Copenhagen. So it's a circle around that area. Should be very, very fun. I've never been to any of those countries before, and they do seem to have some fantastic sketching in that area. I just can't wait. I have to tell you about getting the tickets for the symposium. If you're not familiar, the tickets for the Urban Sketches Symposium are in high demand. They don't actually have that many tickets, and if it's a popular location, they sell out in minutes, literally minutes. And so yeah, I was really freaking out about that. My sister's going as well, so we were both ready when the tickets went on sale. This year they're doing a new thing to other years where they have tiered ticket tiers. So the first one is 4 workshops and some other bits and pieces. That's the premium one, and that went on sale first. Next one's 3 workshop passes and the other bits and pieces. Then 2, 1, and the tickets went on sale half an hour apart. So my sister and I both tried to get the 4 workshop pass ticket. She got one, I didn't. So we had a half an hour of just stress of like, oh no, you're gonna go and I won't get a ticket and it's not fair. Boop, boop, boop. and all that kind of thing. But yeah, then I went on half an hour later and got my ticket, and also got into the 3 workshops that I really wanted to do. So can't get better than that, really, can you? Yeah, so what I was going to say is, if anyone's got tickets to the Urban Sketches Symposium, or they're planning to go, a lot of people are planning to go without tickets, just there's some sketch walks and that you can take part in, and you can hang out with all the other sketches, so it's all good. Or if you like live in any of those places, let me know, comments down below. And yeah, otherwise I'll show you everything else I've been up to this month. Lots of fun. I'm at the beach. Came over to St Kilda. I had to pick up my paintings that I'd taken to the exhibition here. Unfortunately, none of them sold, so I had to come and pick them all up again. I was really hoping that at least one would sell, but them's the break. So yeah, we come over and now we're at the beach. I just went and got some chips. They're really yummy chips. And my sister's taken Luigi for a walk along the beach. I don't know where they are. If they don't come back soon, there'll be no chips left. So I got some sketching done while I was at the beach. Just a quick sketch. Unfortunately, it was a few days before the Formula One Grand Prix, the big car race starts, really close by to where I was, and there were just so many planes flying overhead and the noise was horrific, so we didn't stay as long at the beach as we would have liked, but a quick sketch is better than no sketch. So thanks for watching this week's video. I've got some other fun stuff coming up real soon, and just yeah, don't forget to press the like button. Likes are good for me and they're good for you because it trains the YouTube algorithm in the topics you're interested in. So yeah, like. And if you want to see more of this content and you're not a subscriber already, hit the subscribe button. And otherwise, I'll see you again in more fun videos from Sketching the World.